concept, that is sex determination. Every time the question paper is having one question regarding this sex determination. This one is very easy concept. Before to know the sex determination, how it is going to be, the sex is determining. The person is Hanking in 1891. He studied the nucleus and he is going to be getting the new one condensed body, the structure in that nucleus. Nucleus ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಒಂದು condensed body ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Hanking in 1891 he has been studied the nucleus. So at the time of during gametogenesis, observation ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. At the time of the gametogenesis, as you know that what is meant by the gametogenesis, so that is the formation of the process of formation of the gametes. ಈ gametes formation ಆಗುವಾಗ the 50% of the sperms, so that is those are with the condensed structure. ಈ ಕೆಲವು 50% sperm ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ condensed structure ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But in another 15%, so there is no condensed body. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಂತಹ 50% ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು? ಹ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಡಸಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಏನು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಗೇವ್ ದ ನೇಮ್, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ as you know that in mathematics the person's age is considered as an x, like that. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ x ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆದುಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So like that here also the Hanking gave the name, so that is an x. And later on of course he cannot explain anything regarding that the condensed body, that x body ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು Hanking explanation ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. But later on, so that is that body is X body is considered as an X chromosome. So because of X body, hence the name that comes as an X chromosome. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತದನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ X chromosome ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this is the something background so regarding the X chromosome. And now we see here in every organisms we are going to be getting that. So that means especially in higher organisms ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಅಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್. ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಟೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್? ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್. ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. So these chromosomes are going to be helpful to determine the sex of the species. Species sex ಅನ್ನು determination ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ helpful ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. See, the autosomes other than the sex chromosomes, ಈ sex chromosomes ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ chromosomes ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ autosomes ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So what are allosomes? Allosomes are the chromosomes which determines the sex of the species. What are autosomes? Autosomes are the normal chromosomes other than the sex chromosomes. So these carries the characteristics of the body and other characters from generation to the generations. Those are considered as an autosomes. ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ autosomes ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. In human beings, we are going to be saying that totally, as you know, that the 46 chromosomes are there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 46 ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. We are saying that 44 plus 2. Okay, see, these 22 pairs are considered total 22 plus 1, the 23 pairs, the 46 chromosomes. ನಮಗೆ 22 ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ autosomes ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ. Okay, so then remaining these are said to be allosomes. So those allosomes are totally different in male and female. Human beings ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ X ಮತ್ತು Y ಎರಡೂ ಇರ್ತವೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. X chromosome another one is the Y chromosome. But in females, there is no X, there is no Y, only the XX chromosomes are present in the females. So that is the information, the autosomes and allosomes present in the human beings. Now we are moving to the how the mechanism is there to determine the sex. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು mechanism of sex determination ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So now in our syllabus we are getting the three different mechanisms are there. So one is called as the XO type ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. That is XO type. Usually we are going to be found in maximum in the insects. Insects ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ತರನಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So especially in our syllabus and textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ gross of concern ಆಗಿ explanation ಇದೆ. We will go through that one. So how sex determination occurs. And afterwards we are also seeing that one more, so that is an XY type. It is a common one. You know that is going to be found in human beings. Human beings ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. And the third one is that is a ZW type of mechanism. So this one is we are going to be found in the birds. Birds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ತರನಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ now onwards we are going to start explaining with XX and XO type of mechanism in insect. Okay, there are three kinds of sex determination. We start with the first one, the XO type. Simply we can say that XO system or XO type, or we can say that XO kind of method. So usually this kind of sex determination is found in insects. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ we have taken here the grasshopper. The grasshopper in male, we can say that the male is called as a heterogametic and the female one is said to be homogametic. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು homogametic ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. It's a very clear that what is meant by heterogametic and homogametic. Heterogametic, as you know that what we are seeing that the allosomes they are different, ಬೇರೆ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Hence we say it's called as ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ heterogametic ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Homogametic, so that is almost same, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು that produces the same kind of chromosomes, allosomes ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. We say it's called as homogametic ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. See, in grasshoppers, male, the 22 with the two allosomes, one is X and another one is nothing. One more is not there here. Only one X is there. That is the difference here. But in females, two X are there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು X ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ in males, whatever the sperms produces, the 50% of sperms that is carrying the X chromosome and another 50% there is no X. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If this X is mixing with this X, 100% XX, once again this X, so same XX, but those sperms not having an X chromosome, so that is from the male, if it mixes with the X, 100% here XO, this O stands nothing, zero ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ once again the male insect ಆಗ್ತವೆ, but here we are getting that the female one. It's a very clear that 50% of sperms carrying the X and another 50% no, nothing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is in male. Hence we say it is called as heterogametic. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು heterogametic ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. But female is very clear that. So all the chromosomes, all the gametes carries the both. So that means X ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ X chromosome ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Hence here the male is going to be deciding that. That means XO type is going to be deciding that sex of the insect. Hence we say it is called as an XX exotype, or we can say that exotype or exo system ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. I hope it is clear for you. So that is sex determination in crosswords. And we are moving to the one more here. So that sex determination in human beings or and some other mammals. Human beings ಮತ್ತು mammals ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ sex determination ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. We can say that this one is called as an XY type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, or we can say that XYXX ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ, or XY system ಅಂತಾನೂ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. So it is very clear, as you know that already 44 XY chromosomes, so 44 are the autosomes, and here also XX are the allosomes, here also XY is the allosomes. Same thing, the male is said to be heterogametic because it produces the two kinds of gametes, one that means 50% carrying the X chromosomes and the another 50% carrying the Y chromosomes. So that means it holds the different kind of allosomes. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ allosomes male ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. But in female, so we are getting that the same kind of chromosomes, hence we say it's called as a homogametic ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So here the male is going to be, that means 50% carrying with X and another 50% carrying with the Y chromosomes. If this X carrying chromosome, X carrying sperm fuses with the egg that carries the X, so 100% both are XX. If the sperm that carries the Y chromosome, if it mixes with the egg, 100% there is an XY is there. So this decides, that means Y is going to be deciding the male one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Y ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ XY, because these two are different, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ XY type this only going to be divided and decides the sex of that human being or sex of an organism. See, always we are saying that ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನೀನು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹಿಡಿತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So it is not like that. They are not responsible. Females are not at all responsible for the male and female deciding. The male is only going to be deciding whether the male, that means the offspring is the male or the female one. So he is the responsible because he carries the Y chromosome. Y chromosome is going to be decides the sex of the chromosome here. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Because in the examination they are asking that all these three ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ just sometimes they are asking just writing the names only, very XX, XY type, that is XO type and ZZ type. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. And the third one we say it's called the ZZ type, we are saying that, or the ZW, the ZZ ZW type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, like this. So this is one more kind of sex determination. Usually we are going to be getting in birds. We are going to take that chicken and an example and I ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So the male is going to be producing the 76, that is a ZZ. See here, the male is the homogametic here. It is just exactly opposite to the human beings. Human beings ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The male carries the same kind of chromosomes, ZZ we are saying, but the female carries the 50% with the Z and another 50% with the W. That egg carries 50% of Z and 50% of W chromosomes. That is in birds. Birds ಅಲ್ಲಿ especially chicken ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So the 76 plus ZZ, that is in the male, that is in the heterogametic. 76 plus ZW, so that is in female, so that is called as a heterogametic. This one is the homogametic and that one is the heterogametic. See, so this female Z, the 50%, the egg if mixes with the sperm, so say ZZ, so there is no change, so that is the male only because both are ZZ. But the egg carries with the W, so if it mixes with the Z1, 100% ZW happens here. That is once again the female. The female is going to be formed. So here ZW is going to be deciding. The female is going to be deciding here sex of the offspring, the generation. Okay, so these are the three different kinds of sex determinations we are going to be getting in our textbooks. So these three are important one examination point of view. So just you go through that one, and we are going to be continuing here with ಮತ್ತೆ continue ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we say that ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ male heterogamity and female heterogamity. So these are the different kinds of the concepts are there here. We will go through that one. You just observe here what is male heterogamity and what is the female heterogamity. Already I said here, but it is not very clear. Now I will go through the male heterogamity. What is that male heterogamity? Yes, it is a very clear that. As you know that the male in human beings, so they are with 24 and plus X1. So totally 26 chromosomes are there. So this male is going to be producing the two kinds of sperms or two kinds of gametes. ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ gametes ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Male is going to be producing the ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, so different kinds of gametes. 50% with the X and 50% the sperms carries the Y chromosomes. Hence this one is called as ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ male heterogamity. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು male heterogamity ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So that means here the male is going to be producing two different kinds of the gametes. Hence it is known as a male heterogamity. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು male heterogamity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So same thing, one more is there. We say it is called as a female heterogamity. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ female heterogamity. What is that female heterogamity? Here in female heterogamity, so very clear that. So example we have seen that ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. So that is a ZW. Here it is the female. That is in birds. Birds are now ZW. The female carries the two kinds of chromosomes. Allosomes in ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So that means some egg carries, that means 50% of egg carries the Z and another 50% of eggs carries the W. The female is responsible for the producing the two different kinds of the gametes. Hence, so this one is called as a female heterogamity. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ female heterogamity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. I hope it is clear for you. The male heterogamity is the one. The male is responsible for the producing two different kinds of gametes. So that is called as the male heterogamity. The female heterogamity is the one. The female is responsible for the production of the two different kinds of eggs. So we say it is called as a female heterogamity. Both are for 1 marks. ಇವು ಎರಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Sometimes even for the 2 marks also. What is male heterogamity or what is female heterogamity? Give with an example. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.